Hello guys, in today's video you see I'm very smart. I'm not in the mood for farming, but I've come to check on these layered gardens and a food tower that we put at Wamba Primary School. And as you can see in the video, it's really doing well, and this is an encouragement to everyone. The children have really managed their greens, they have grown, and this thing is carrying close to 150 seedlings. So we can plant this for you at your home, in your school, in your hotel, and then you'll be eating vegetables right in your compound.
So these are very easy technologies to make around your home, and then you have fresh vegetables. Just like you can see, this is a layered garden and this is a food tower. The greens that are here, you can't consume them in your home. You can even fail to finish all of them because they are really much. So just like you can see, they are still young. It's been 2 weeks. Now when they grow, they are going to be very much that you cannot consume all of them. So this is a very good idea for those guys who do not have enough land. Maybe you're living in urban areas. You can have a food tower and you plant the vegetables of your choice. It's really good, and it can accommodate almost every vegetable except for those plants that have taproots. It might not do well, but these ones can do well.